Joining us now for an exclusive interview is the CEO, Crocs CEO and President Andrew Rees. Andrew, thank you for joining us. What is driving this boom in business?
Yeah, my pleasure. Happy to be here. So I think one of the things is exactly what you said, comfort. So I think there's three things. We think we're incredibly well positioned as a brand. The consumer's looking for comfort, they're looking for value, they're looking for easy on and off, and they're looking for a shoe that can be fun and personalized. One of the fantastic things we do for our consumers, we allow them to personalize their footwear using those little things that you stick in the shoes called gibbets. And on top of that, I think we did some really smart things during the depths of the pandemic. One of the things we really did was we reached out and supported our frontline healthcare workers. We gave away over 680,000 pairs of shoes, which has a retail value of over $40 million to frontline healthcare workers. We had them come to our website to do that. So obviously we were also able to capture their email addresses. We created a great deal of goodwill with that population. So, we feel really good about what we did and also the impact it's had on the company.
I think a lot of people can relate to the comfort thing. I haven't taken off sweatpants since March. And value and practicality as far as fashion, Andrew. But what happens when we all do go out back to normal again, when there is hopefully a vaccine around the corner and as states continue to push on the reopening front? Yeah,
I think so. I don't think that by any means represents an end of our relevance. We've really been rebuilding the brand relevance over a good number of years now with strong collaborations that we do with other brands, marketing outreach to consumers. I mean, I think this has been a recent acceleration of a trajectory, but we had an incredibly strong year last year. And we've really been putting all the building blocks in place in terms of product marketing and how we go to market and how we partner with our different wholesale partners and how we reach our consumers. We're putting those building blocks in place for some time. I think this is a time that is really good for our brand and for everything that we stand for. But I think there are lots of opportunities in the future, and we're very confident about the long-term future of Crocs, frankly, on a global basis. We do more business outside the United States than we do inside the United States.
Andrew, who do you see as the average Crocs wearer in this day and age? I mean, Crocs have been around for a long time. At one point, they were synonymous with Mario Batali, the disgraced chef. But now consumers have so many options, Allbirds, Greats, a number of companies that are shouting at them on social media and in their direct mail. So how do you find that consumer, and who is he or she in the year 2020?
So it's incredibly diverse, which is frankly one of the real strengths of the brand. We sell to a lot of different people. So we sell to men, women, and kids, and we're relatively balanced across those three populations. We're also demographically diverse, right? So for some people, it's an aspirational purchase. It's a great value. They can get a shoe for $45 that can last them a long time. For some people with enormous means, it's just something that they're attracted to. So it's diverse. I would say recently, we've really been tapping into very effectively to that teenage explorer. So we call it Teenage Explorer. She's in high school. She's in college. She is very active on social media, and she has been very attracted to the brand. She's attracted by the color. She's attracted by the personalization options that we offer, and that's been a big growth vehicle for us here in the United States and across the world.
Andrew, we have to talk about the collaborations. I've seen some of them. They're insane, like the KFC one, which apparently, sold out within an hour. The Peeps. How do you pick these brands to partner with and these artists to partner with? And how are you driving such strong interest? I saw Crocs on StockX, which is, of course, the secondhand reseller that usually deals in Yeezys and Jordans that are hard to come by.
Yeah, that's one of the things I look at, actually. So if you went back 3 or 4 years ago, you would have not found a single pair of Crocs on StockX. If you look at StockX today, you can find multiple pages of Crocs of all our different collaborations. So the power in the collaborations is the diversity, right? So and you just highlighted some of the diversity right there. So everything from KFC to Post Malone to Luke Combs to a recent one that we just launched, which is a three-way. So it's with us, with Chinatown Market, and the Grateful Dead. So that's sold out in frankly minutes on Chinatown Market's site, and we will be selling that shoe next week, in fact. So it's the diversity and the variety of people that we collaborate with, and then it's the creative, right? So if you just look at them, they're wildly creative. They are appropriate for the brands that we're collaborating with. And that's really a testament. We're using our core classic clog, and it's a blank canvas. We can do many, many different things with that blank canvas, and the creative has been outstanding.